You got it written down? Oh, you got a pitch. All right,
Yeah,
cool.
I can't believe you casted lots for your...
Pick one.
Now, is that a whole stack?
Huh? This is 4 different names. Pick it. You sure?
They'll all 4 be the same name.
No,
No, they're not.
Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. No, I'm just playing with you. What's his name?
Read it.
And I want to see the rest of them.
I don't blame you, Rick.
I like that.
Which one is it?
What is it?
Casey Richards.
Casey
Wow.
Richards.
I
Hey, I like
I
that.
want to see the rest of them.
Casey Richards.
I like that.
I do too. Casey. I like that.